Hello, this is Dale Calvert. Welcome to this week's MLM Minute. Today is Friday, June 5th. And, when we started the MLM Minute about a year and a half ago, one of the first MLM Minutes we did, the trainings, was on Twitter. And some of you were with us then and subscribers, and we talked about, this new thing that was coming. It was micro-blogging, and it's called Twitter, and to get on Twitter and join Twitter and get yourself familiar with Twitter. Since that time, we probably have talked about Twitter 2 or 3 other times with our MLM Minutes. And this is kind of a call to action one more time for you guys. This weekend, if you are not on Twitter, join. If you're on Twitter, spend some time there, get familiar. And I just cannot stress this enough. Right now, Twitter is growing 10 times faster than any other website on the internet. If something's growing 10 times faster than any other site, number one, if there's something going on there, even if you don't get it, there's a lot of people that do, so there's something going on there and you want to be involved. So go to twittermarketingtips.com. That's a fairly new site that we've started. You can learn a lot there, twittermarketingtips.com. Make sure you sign up for the newsletter. But try to get yourself educated and wrap your mind around Twitter. And if you have a Twitter account, tweet something every day. And you say, Dale, what are you talking about? And I don't know what I would say, or I don't know how to get followers. Okay, I want to tell you what to say and how to get followers right now. And this is what you need to do. And this is basic, because we're going to be talking about this more in the future, but you got to get up to speed this weekend. Okay? Basic, here's what you tweet. Anytime you're online and you read an interesting article, or you find a really cool website, anything that you think is valuable and helpful to you, then just tweet it on your Twitter account, and people can come and read. Like today, I found a site that is really cool. It'll show you, you type in your website address, and it'll show you your ranking in Google, Alexa, Yahoo, and it gives you a graph, and it's free service, and it's really cool. And I'm going to be able to use it in my business. So I just said, new service I've just found will give you your ranking for Google, Alexa, Yahoo, and on and on. And just a little, and put the URL there so people can go and get an account, and it's free, and check it out. I use it for promotion. If those of you that follow me on Twitter, I sell ebooks. We have 4 or 5 ebooks in the market. I sell them every week using Twitter. So it's just finding articles and information that you think will be helpful to your market and putting it out there. Okay, that's all you have to do. Say, Dale, how do I get followers? This is how you get followers. When you log on to Twitter, there's a button in the top right-hand corner that says Find People. Okay, you can type in Dale Calvert, click on Follow, and I'll follow you back, okay? But anybody you can think of in the industry, who's some of the leaders in your company, you can type in the keyword phrase MLM or network marketing, and it'll bring up different people that are involved in the network marketing industry. Here's what I want you to do for the next couple of weeks until we come back and talk more about Twitter. I'm trying to get you up to speed. I want you to go on Twitter and at least once a day do a tweet. Put information out there that will be helpful in the marketplace. That's the first thing I want you to do. The second thing I want you to do is follow 10 people a day. Follow 10 people a day. Now, if I'm talking Greek to you, totally Greek, then you really, really need this information. You really need it, because guys, it's growing 10 times faster than any other website. You can't turn on the TV without saying, follow Fox Sports South on Twitter, follow whoever on Twitter. It is growing at a rate that I've never seen any website grow, and growing again 10 times faster than the other site. Say, well, Dale, I don't get what. Just take my word for it here. You know, some of you took my word for it a year and a half ago when we first talked about it. You're happy now, and this is where it's all leading to, possibly. If you're marketing on the internet, what's the number one way to do that? How many times have you heard the money is in the what? The money is in the list. The number one way to market online, absolutely positively, share good ideas, good information with people, is through email. So that's the way to do it. There's many people, and I don't see this yet, but there's a little buzz right now, people talking about the fact that Twitter will replace email marketing in the future. Now, I don't see this happening, but I know from a marketing standpoint, this is an excellent opportunity for you to create a list, if you will, followers of like-minded people. So you need to start right now. Start this weekend. If you haven't, go to twitter.com, set up your account. It's free. You'll have it set up in 5 minutes. As you find information that's interesting, place it on Twitter. You just type it in, give people the URL, good, solid information that can help people, that you like, that speaks to you. You know, tell them about the MLM Minute. I would appreciate that. But whatever. And then also follow 10 people in the network marketing niche a day for the next couple of weeks. And very soon down the road, we're going to even take it to another level. But guys, you cannot ignore this any longer. Check it out this weekend. Enjoy it. Have fun. This is Dale Calvert. We'll see you next week on the MLM Minute.